course, first and foremost, ang gusto natin ay sana ma-dismiss, no? Itong articles of impeachment laban sa kanya. But kung ano man ang mangyari, handa naman kaming depensahan ng ating Vice Presidente. We have raised what we saw or what we believe in as constitutional infirmities, no? Defects in the procedure, and also the deficiency on the substantive aspect of these allegations. We feel that the allegations do not rise to the level of impeachable offenses against the Vice President. So, and for that, those are the grounds by which we think dismissal is warranted. But like I said, let's see how things turn out. Basta tayo sa defense team, we are definitely ready to provide the Vice President with the best defense. We really just set forth, yung sabi ko nga kanina, yung defenses ng Vice President, yung nakita nating mga infirmities kahit dun sa naganap na Committee on Justice proceedings, no? Isa na dyan, syempre, yung sinasabi natin na wala namang ebidensyang attach sa mga impeachment complaints at yung mga ebidensya umano na inilabas lamang o nagkalap lamang doon sa committee proceedings after we have already filed our answer before the Committee on Justice. Ito yung mga bagay na nire-raise namin, no, sa aming answer. At maliban doon, in-address din namin, no, yung bawat article. Yung mga allegations sa bawat article, in-address din namin yan sa aming sagot. Well, we raise an opposition and our objections basically on the admissibility of pieces of evidence. No? So, but we'll see. We'll see. Siyempre, ang ultimate prayer talaga namin ma-dismiss.